subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button.
Good morning friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the search engine doodle celebrating Terry Fox, and the famous quotes by Terry Fox is, I want to try the impossible to show it can be done. Who was Terry Fox? Why this day has been celebrated? Friends, today doodle illustrated by Toronto based guest artist Lynn Scarfield celebrates the Canadian athlete and humanitarian Terry Fox after losing his legs to cancer. Fox embarked on the Marathon of Hope, a historic cross-Canada journey to raise awareness and money for cancer research. If we talk about more about Terry Fox, Terence Stanley Fox was a Canadian athlete, humanitarian and cancer research activist in 1980. With one leg having been amputated due to cancer, he embarked on an east to west cross Canada run to raise money and awareness for cancer research. Although the spread of his cancer eventually forced him to end his quest after 143 days and 5,373 kilometers and ultimately cost him his life. His efforts resulted in a lasting worldwide legacy. The annual Terry Fox Run, first held in 1981, has grown to involve millions of participants in over 60 countries and is now the world's largest one-day fundraiser for cancer research for this. He was born on July 28, 1958 in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Terry Fox was a natural competitor known for his commitment and his work ethic. In 1977, at the age of 18, Fox was diagnosed with bone cancer resulting in the amputating of his right leg. During his months of treatment, he was deeply affected by the stories of the patients around him, igniting in him an urgent desire to end the suffering cancer causes. Refusing to allow his amputation to slow him down, Fox decided to run across Canada, raising much needed research funding to find a cure for cancer. 3 years following his diagnosis, on April 12, 1980, Fox humbly embarked on his Marathon of Hope in St. John, Newfoundland. Through biting winds and summer heat, he ran close to a marathon on a day for over 4 months, an incredible 5,373 kilometers in all. Although return of Fox cancer prevented him from completing the route, he achieved his goal of raising $1 for every Canadian citizen, totaling over $24 million for cancer research. The first Terry Fox Run held on this day in 1981 united 300,000 people across Canada to walk, run on cycle in Terry's memory and raised $3.5 million for cancer research. Today the Terry Fox Run is held virtually in his honor and has raised over $800 million since its inception. So friends, this day is very motivating and inspiring for others. Thank you, Terry, for every step you took towards the cancer-free world you bravely envisioned. When this question has been asked from the illustrator, what do you hope people take away from your doodle? Answer given by him. Mostly I hope I did Terry and his legacy justice with my work. I hope we can all have a bit of Terry's spirit in us to work for a better future. I also want to say that if you know someone with cancer, listen to what they need and be there for them when things get hard. Cancer is scary and extremely difficult to deal with both mentally and physically, so those battling it need their support groups more than ever. So this doodle is dedicated to Terry Fox. And again I want to read these quotes. I want to try the impossible to show it can be done. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.